So the biomass mission is about understanding the contribution of the world's forests to the global carbon cycle. Over the mission lifetime, we'll observe the forests, how they change, and be able to understand what the contribution is from people chopping down the forests is to increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and also if replanting forests actually makes a difference to getting carbon back out of the atmosphere.
I could tell that we would work together because of even that very first meeting. There was straightforward communication.
We had a good confidence in the engineering capability and the product that was offered, that it could meet our performance needs.
And it was the depth of experience that the personnel were able to show that gave me confidence that this would be a success, because you only get one shot at it.
And seeing the biomass hardware, indeed the first flight hardware that I've seen for our satellite, was very exciting for me. I was really thrilled to be able to see it and to have a photo taken there with the hardware.
Building 27, which houses the biomass reflector, I've seen a lot of space hardware, but I've never seen anything so large. And it was fantastic to see something that you knew would be up in space one day.